Today, in the series of online classes of Stay Home and Stay Safe, we are going to study about the smallest or basic grammar points, parts of speech. And the first class of or the first part of that part of speech is noun. So we are going to have a study about this family of nouns. Nouns are divided in 5 parts: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Proper noun, name of person, place or thing, अर्थात किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान अथवा वस्तु का नाम. Suppose that we call Ravi Kolkata or India. It is an example of proper noun. Next is common noun. What is common? That which is common. Name given in common to every person or thing. Suppose that we call table. Table is what? That is a common noun. Glass, town, king. These are the examples of common noun. Third is collective noun. Collective always indicating a group or collection. A group एक समूह को इंडिकेट करने वाला नाउन. नेक्स्ट इज मटेरियल नाउन. पदार्थ, मटेरियल. इट इज मैटर और सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम व्हिच a thing is made. Suppose that we call wood, clay or rubber. These are materials. Next is abstract noun. How, quality, state or action. Truth, that is to be felt but not to be seen. Love, soul. These are the things that are based upon the feelings or emotions but not in real shape. Now we are going to study about some nouns which are always used in plural format. Suppose that we call riches. So what are riches? Riches means wealth. Suppose that we can see the example, riches have wings. इसका मतलब है कि अमीरी या संपत्ति have wings, पंख रखती है. Emotions of the men are going upward and upward when the person is having riches. ये अपने आप में हमेशा प्लूरल फॉर्मेट में यूज होते हैं. तो आप लोग इनकी एक लिस्ट बना लो. riches, premises, spectacles, चश्मा. ये भी आपका हमेशा प्लूरल फॉर्मेट में हमेशा आता है. valuables, those things which are very valuable in our life. Arms, what is arms? Bhiksha, the beggar is begging for alms. भिक्षा की डिमांड करा. Billiards, a kind of games. Movables, those things which are moved from one place to another place. Wages, he is working on daily wages. Mazduri. Thanks, always S is used in these plural formats. Annals, annals historical stories. Measles, a kind of disease. Trousers, a kind of cloth that is put on by common people like all of us. Goods, it is a goods train, not a passenger train. So goods is always used in plural. Socks, fetters, bedium. Fetters are femininity, are so much strong in themselves that the women folk are not having so much power as to break them. Pantaloons, tidings, eatables, those things which can be eaten up. Scissors, suppose that I have example given. Kindly give me a scissor, whether it is correct or incorrect. It is incorrect. A scissor can never be carved. So we can write this sentence, kindly give me a pair of scissors. Now it has been corrected. So these are the stockings, long socks. Arms, what are arms? One is known as arm. It is a part of body. बांह को हम arms कहते हैं. Next, suppose that we call armament. Means शस्त्रीकरण. All the countries are trying for nuclear disarmament. Disarmament is opposite of armament. सारे के सारे देश प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि सभी के बीच में एक परमाणु निशस्त्रीकरण हो. So these are known as arms. So arms means what? Arms means weapons. In the same way, we use tongs. It is also a cooking utensil itself. Suppose that so many words we are facing. I do not like potteries of kids. What is pottery? Potteries is never to be used. It is wrong according to the rules of grammar. I do not like the pottery of. Pottery is always used in singular format, not in plural. In the same way, I have written the sceneries of the Himalayas are excellent. This is also grammatically wrong sentence. It is never to be used as sceneries. It is scenery. Of Kashmir, of the Himalayas is excellent. Some common words which are using in our daily routine life. Suppose that we use English and the English. Look at this. Only one article, definite article has been used in the English. But the meaning has changed. English is subject. English is tough to understand. समझने में tough है, कठिन है. But if that subject is added with the article, definite article the, suppose that we can write the English left India bad and bad. अंग्रेज लोग बैग एंड बैगेज के साथ भारत छोड़ गए। बहुत से बच्चे कंफ्यूजन में इसके साथ में विद लगा दे। इट इज ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग। The English left India bag and baggage. In the same way, I've also seen so many mistakes conducted by the students in the words used by the people and peoples. Look at this. People means common people. People of India are different in matter of religion, caste, class, or so many things. But the peoples, if S is added, it becomes nations. The peoples of the world are fighting against COVID-19. विश्व के सारे राष्ट्र इस समय कोविड-19 के खिलाफ एक जंग लड़ रहे हैं. So these are the common things which we use in our daily routine life and we commit so many mistakes. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.